I'm going to show you how you can view your recordings or screenshots on Steam in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is open Steam. In my case, I'm at the desktop application, and then go right here at the top left of the screen on view, and at the bottom you will see this new feature to see the recordings and screenshots. So click right there and you will see all your recordings and screenshots you have done while playing Steam games. You can do screenshots with F12, I think. That's the default key. And then at the settings right here, you will see more information about how you can record the game. So here is the keybind, and you can set if you want to record in the background or record automatically or even disable it. And after you have recorded, you can go right here to see the videos. In my case, I only have this screenshot right there. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.